Did you know that spinach, the leafy green champion of Popeye's diet, was actually used in the first color comic strips to showcase the technology of color printing? Quite the impressive debut for a vegetable, wouldn't you say? But the fame of spinach doesn't end with comic strips. This superfood has a treasure trove of benefits that might make you want to include it in your meals every day. Spinach, a nutrient-dense superfood, is packed to the brim with essential vitamins and minerals. It's like nature's own multivitamin pill, only better. It's loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron, and calcium. This combination not only supports overall health but also provides an energy boost. It's like having a natural energy drink without the added sugar or caffeine. This leafy green is also a powerful ally for your immune system. With its high content of vitamin C and numerous antioxidants, it's like a shield, protecting your cells from damage. This protection extends to your skin as well, helping it stay healthy and radiant. But spinach doesn't stop at just boosting your immune system and energy levels. It also plays a vital role in bone health. Thanks to its high vitamin K content, which improves bone density, spinach is like a fortress for your bones. This makes it an excellent addition to your diet if you're looking to keep your bones strong and healthy. For those on a weight management journey, spinach could be your best friend. It's low in carbs and calories but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight. It's like having a personal trainer in your salad bowl, helping you stay in shape. However, as with all things, it's important to maintain balance. While spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, it also contains oxalates, which can interfere with mineral absorption and may contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. So, it's essential to consume spinach in moderation. Also, spinach is high in goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid function. Hence, those with thyroid issues should be mindful of their spinach intake. And of course, if you're on blood-thinning medications or have any concerns about nutrient interactions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. To sum it all up, spinach is a versatile, nutrient-rich superfood that supports overall health, boosts the immune system, provides energy, is beneficial for bone health, and aids in weight management. Yet, it's important to balance its consumption due to its oxalate content and potential interaction with certain health conditions. So the next time you see a bunch of spinach at your local grocery store, remember, it's not just a vegetable. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, a shield for your immune system, a fortress for your bones, and a personal trainer for your weight management. And all this in a humble, leafy green package. Now that's truly impressive, even without the comic strips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Your support enables us to continue providing valuable content like this. Remember, spinach is just one of the many nutritious foods out there, and we're here to help you explore more. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.